Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you some more examples on how to use advanced filter, and in this particular video I'm going to show you examples on how to specify a range criteria and an exception criteria with your advanced filter. Now, if you don't know how to use advanced filter at its simplest level, I have already created a video for that earlier, and I'll put the link to that video in the description section of this video. So you can go ahead and watch that before you move on to this video, which shows more examples of advanced filter. So let's take a look at this example. Now here I have my inventory table, and I want to filter this table such that I only want to see those items with reorder level from 50 to 150. So I want to see only those items with reorder level from 50 to 150. How do I specify that? So in order to do that, I have to go up to my criteria area over here, and below the reorder level column heading, I'm going to put greater than or equals to 50. But where do I specify the ending range, which is 150? I'll have to create another column title that says reorder level. So I'm going to open up a space over here by doing a right click and clicking on insert, and then I'm going to push the data over to the right like so. And over here I'm going to create another column heading. I'm just going to copy that and paste it over here. So now I have two column headings that says reorder level, and in this other cell I'll put the ending range, which is less than or equals to 150. So that spells 50 to 150. Now I don't have to do this side by side next to each other. I can even put this other reorder level column heading all the way right at the end over here in an empty cell. So I don't have to put it side by side. I'm just doing this so that it's easier for you to see. Once I've done that, I just run the advanced filter by clicking on data and clicking on advanced. So in the first box, I'll have to put my cursor inside. I'll just erase whatever's inside and select my main table, my main data table. So in this case, it's my inventory table, all the way down to line number 30. So that's for the first box. Let me just zoom in. So that is A5 to J30. And in the second text box, let me just erase whatever's inside. I'll have to select my criteria range, which is where I specify my criteria. In this case, it's A1 to A1 to K2. So that is A1 to K2. So once I've done that, I'll just click on the OK button. So let's take a look at the result. I'll just zoom out and let's look at the reorder level. As you can see, the only items that are shown in this table now are those items with reorder level from 50 to 150. The rest are basically hidden. So I filtered my table according to this criteria that I've specified on top here. So that's how you specify a range when using the advanced filter feature. Now let me release my filter result. Click on the table, anywhere inside the table. Click on my data menu. Let me just zoom in and click on the clear button. So now my table is displaying all the record entries again. Let's zoom out. So there it is. Now the next example that I'm going to show you is basically doing an exception. What if I want to filter my inventory table to show all the departments? In this case, I have 4 departments: kitchen, food, apparel, and toiletry, but I just want to show the items that belong to the or rather I just want to show those items that does not belong to the apparel department. I want to display food, I want to display kitchen, and I want to display toiletry, but I don't want to display apparel. So this is how I do it. So apparel is the exception, meaning I don't want to show it. So I'm gonna just erase my current criteria over here. So I go over to the department uh, area here in my criteria area, and I'm going to use this symbol. That symbol basically is the opposite of the equal sign. It's basically not equals to. So the diamond symbol is basically not equals to. So not equals to apparel. So I'm going to display all the departments as long as it's not equals to apparel over here. Right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to again launch the advanced filter dialog box. So my table range is still the same, A5 to J30, and my criteria range is still the same, A1 to K2. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK. Now let's look at the table. Now if you notice, the inventory table at this moment in time is displaying kitchen, food, toiletry, and that's it. So as you can see, apparel is hidden. All the items that belong to apparel are hidden from view. So I'm using the not equal to symbol to basically make this the exception to whatever I'm showing in this table at this moment in time. So that's it, folks. Those are two examples that I'm bringing to you in this video, which is how to specify a range criteria and how to do the exception by using the not equal to symbol. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to it. And do drop some comments in the comment section of the video, and also hit the notification icon so that you will be notified of any new videos that I'm going to add on to my channel in time to come.